Okay, today we're looking at the Raymond Weil. It is the 9976 Don Giovanni Collection. I've owned this for probably over 20 years. It's one of my first watches. It originally comes in a silver bracelet, but I replaced that recently because it has shown a lot of wear and tear over the years, and just changed it to this new dark blue strap, as you can see on here. The dial itself is a black dial. It is a battery operated quartz watch. Again, new battery just put in there as well. Made of a Swiss made ETA 956.412 quartz movement, 7 jewels. Date display as well at the 3 o'clock position, as you can see. Water resistance is 30 meters. There is, I believe, nighttime luminosity as well, and a scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Stainless steel crown with RW on it. Lovely little dress watch, and definitely suitable probably more for the smaller wrists because it is not that big. Let's do some quick measurements test on this watch. Very light watch, only 44 grams. Now in terms of dimensions, we are looking at diameter of 31.9 millimeters. Lug to lug of 38.7. And a height of 9.2 millimeters. Running 20 millimeter band. As you can see, for the smaller watches, that will be suitable for smaller wrists. Mine is a 7-inch wrist. This is how it sits on my 7-inch wrist. Okay, I'll take it outside so you can see what it looks like during the daytime. Here's the Raymond Weil outdoor with the blue strap, dark blue strap. Now I think you can pick this up from eBay these days between £500 and £1,000, give or take. I like it. Suitable certainly more as a dress watch for a smaller wrist size. Let me know what you think. Is this the type of watch you like? Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next review.